Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y31, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started with the actual reset, there's a couple of things that I want to talk about. So number one, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock that you might have set that you just don't know. So that's first thing. Now, with that being said, there is a little bit of a caveat to that process. When your device has a screen lock and a Google account signed in, and you reset it this way, this will lock the device, meaning that when you're going through the setup process, you'll be forced to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that was used on this device prior to the reset. And if you can't verify one of those, you basically want to be able to finish up the setup, so you're kind of stuck with a fancy break. Now, that's one thing. Another important info is the fact that all your data on the device will be deleted permanently. This cannot be undone. Once you go with this, it's gone. But you can obviously take some measures and back that data up before you perform the reset. Now, if you can't unlock your device because you don't know the screen lock, you don't really have much of an option right here. If you can't unlock it, you can't really back it up, but you can potentially check if the data has been backed up by opening up your browser on your computer and signing in with the same Google account that is used right here. And you can then navigate to your Google Drive and open up the photos in there. And in photos, if your device has been backing it up, you should find newer photos. You should also find contacts in the different section there. As typically, let me just go back in here. If we go into system management and then backup and restore and backup, in here you'll see we have photos and videos and other device data. So typically your phone probably already is backing up photos and videos, as you I think most commonly agree to this BS by mistake, as Google just kind of makes sure that you're by mistake agree to it by just opening up photos and giving you this kind of icon. I don't know if it's going to show up yet. There we go. Sign. Okay, so it doesn't show up right here. You get a window right here where it takes a moment to show the Let's Go option, and you can't do anything else rather than click on Let's Go, which you usually forget to uncheck the backup option, which is deliberately designed so Google can steal all of your photos, so they can feed it to their AI algorithms and also monetize probably. So that's one. And under other device data, you have things like contacts, call history, device settings, apps, app data, SMS, and MMS messages, which when you open up something like, for instance, contacts from Google, you'll probably also agree to this by mistake, and some other applications might also show this up. So potentially, you might be backing up your device even not knowing about it. So anyway, let's just get started. Now, like I said before, if you don't have these backed up and you can't unlock your device, there is not much you can do about it. Now, if you can unlock your device, you can do the Google backup, or you can do a migration or backup to an older device using EasyShare or any other application similar to this one. So now let's get started. I'm gonna start off from the lock screen. Now, I don't actually have a lock screen right here, but this process will be the same no matter if you have a screen lock or not. So press power button and volume up at the same time, and then select power off. Wait for the device to turn off, and then hold power button and volume up. And let go of the power button once the Vivo logo shows up on the screen. From here, you want to let go of obviously the volume up, and then press volume down once to navigate down, and confirm that option, which is recovery mode, with the power button. From here, select clear data, and then select clear all data. This will get you a quick message: all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos, and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. So we're going to click on OK. This will now begin resetting the device, and here it just takes a moment. It should be right about done. There we go. So once it's finished, we're going to click on return, and then we're going to click on this back arrow right here. And now we can select restart. And OK. Now this will continue resetting the device in the background, which will take about 1-2 minutes more like to finish up. So just be patient. So I'm going to let this run through and come back once it's been completed on my end. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.